Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to do this red wine makeup look. For today, the only base makeup I'll use is my concealer, and I'll conceal my imperfection areas, and that's about it for the base makeup. Make sure you let the concealer sit on your face before you blend it out. The entire look is going to be very glossy, so I recommend that you use very little powder. I wanted to intensify the arch of my brow, so I decided to extend the tail a little bit. This step is very unnecessary. I use a light pink color as a base, but I just wasted my time for no reason. But this part is necessary. I use this really wine red color all over the lid and blend out the edges. But I didn't like the color, so I decided to use this purple to get that deep, cool tone, true wine red color. Follow the same steps for the lower lid. Now for the eyeliner, I know I wanted something dramatic, I want something big, I want something that says Beyonce. I also wanted to do an inner corner wing, so I used this pencil eyeliner and I carve it with concealer. But I didn't show it in the footage because I forgot to film it. Sorry. I didn't want to wear falsies today, so I picked the most voluminous lengthening mascara I know, which is Sky High. I don't want to be responsible for your loss of eyesight, so just use anything eye safe and glossy. Just pretend like I know what I'm doing here. For the lips, I start off with this nude base, and then I followed up with this dark, deep red, just in the very center of the lips. Now I'm going to use the same gloss I used on my eyes, and I put it on top of my lips. Use a nude pink blush on the top of the cheeks. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and follow or something. I don't know. Bye!